it's Brenda, and this is ride number 50. This is the challenge, and we were going to review the hindquarters again and see how much she has improved. So I will start with just asking with my legs on a loose rein and just have her swing her hind over to the right. Good girl. And I'll have, since you can see my right leg, I'll have her swing her hind over to the left just by tipping my toe out. Good. Maybe a little bit more. Good job, Allie. And then the other one was, I'll turn her around. So let's turn her around. Okay, then here I'm going to put her into flexion. Now add leg, which she's totally got that down. And then I'll bring her back over this way again. And I'm going to bring her this way. Add my leg again, and I'm going to go ahead and release really quick. So now you'll be able to see. I'm going to hold this lateral flexion with no leg, and I'm going to wait for her to step her hind over like that. Good girl. And then I'll call that good, since I know you can't see the other side. But maybe one more thing was, she's still busy in the mouth with the snaffle. But I'm going to ask for a soft feel. She's chomping. Good. Now I'm going to sit back and see if she'll back up. Good. Just by changing my seat position to a 3. So we'll come back over this way. I'm going to hold the rein. Now I'm going to sit back. Good. And then I didn't really shorten the rein at all. She just felt me sit back on my seat a little. So I'll do it again. I'll sit back. Good. 3, 2, 1, release. All right, thank you for watching. Ride 50.